So welcome back to this lecture. So here today I'm going to show you a good way to list or map the URLs, the best way of course for production. So we will create that such that each app has its own urls.py files. So let me show you how we're gonna do that. So when we create the app, it normally doesn't come with the urls.py, so you need to create one for it. So let's add new file, call it urls.py. So we have that urls.py. So go to the main project urls.py, and what you need is just you need to import the path and this function this variable. So let's copy here from here. Let's copy here. Copy everything from here. Leave this admin. We don't need the admin. So paste it here. So now that we have that, what you're going to do on the main app is tell Django that these urls.py files exist. So to do that, to tell our main urls.py that the first app has its own urls.py, we're going to the first app and import from Django.urls import path. Then you can import include. So we're going to use this include to tell our Django project to look for URLs also on the app file. So here we're going to say so path, then give it that empty, then you're going to include. So we can tell it to include the app, our first app now. So here just tell it to recognize first app, first underscore app dot urls. So don't include urls.py, just tell it include first underscore app dot urls. So that's it. So let's go to our first app urls file. So on our first app urls files, so let's remove the thing here. So we can create new URL patterns. So we can just type path. Let's give it / our first app, first underscore app, then give our view, so comma views dot index, that comma. So the app, when we go to first app, we should use this index. So let's counter check again. So when we go home, we are going to also view the index. So let's run the server, see it working better. So python manage.py run server. So that's how. Let's click it. So when we go to our home, we get hello world, but let's go to the new URL that we have created. First underscore app, page not found, wrong typing. So there we have it, / first app. So when we go to this URL, we get the index view, but when also we go home on 27, we also get this. So that's because this home, the empty /empty, your domain /empty, your home is also linked on this main here. So that's how you create a specific URL file for a certain app. So we can also have many apps, many URLs for this app on this specific file. So that's a good way, because you don't want to mix URLs for, if you're dealing with a blog app, you don't want to mix it with the login or authentication URLs. So that's it for now. Let's catch up.